Nihongo N4 Lesson 39 Part 1 Vocab. First, gozaimasu. To answer. Sensei ga seito no shitsumon ni gozaimashita. The teacher answered the student's query. Second, tourimasu. To pass. Michi o tourimasu. To pass a street. Third, bikkuri shimasu. Be surprised. Ikinari kuruma ga susukonde kite bikkuri shimashita. The car suddenly appeared in front of me and I was taken aback. Fourth, gakkari shimasu. Be disappointed. Shikken ni ochite gakkari shimashita. I failed in the exam and feel disappointed. Fifth, anshin shimasu. To feel relieved. Oki kaisha shushoku shite ryoshin o anshin sasetai. I want to get employed in a big company and make my parents at ease. Sixth, rikon shimasu. Get a divorce. Yamada fufu ga rikon shimashita. The Yamada get divorced. Seventh, futorimasu. To get fat. Uchi no inu ga zutto ie ni ite futorimashita. Our pet dog stays home and hence got fat. 8th, yasemasu. To get thin. Maeda-san ga saikin yasete kita. Mitai desu ne. Byoki nan desu ka? Mr. Maeda has started losing weight recently. He is unwell. 9th, fukuzatsu. Complicated. Fukuzatsu na mondai. Complicated problem. 10th, jama. Entrance. Kono teburu ga jama desu kara chotto achi ni hakonde kudasai. This table is in the way. Could you move it to that side? 11th, katai. Hard, tough. Kono niku wa katai desu. This meat is quite hard. 12th, yawarakai. Soft, tender. Kono niku wa yawarakakute oishii desu. This meat is tender and delicious. Grammar point 1. Verb te. Verb na kute. E adjective. Kute. Na adjective. Te. Form stating reason. This grammar pattern indicates cause or reason for the result indicated in the second part. The second part can only have a non-volitional expression or expression of state. First, verbs and adjective expressing emotion. Bikkuri shimasu, anshin shimasu, komarimasu, sabishi, ureshi. Example first. Kazoku ni ae nakute sabishi. I am sad because I am unable to meet my family. Second, verbs and adjective expressing potential or state. Example 2. Doyobi wa sugo ga warukute wa ikemasen. Saturday is no good for me, so I can't go. Example 3. Jiko ga atte basu ga okurete shimaimashita. There was an accident and the bus got late. Example 4. Jukkyo ni okurete sensei ni shikare mashita. I was late to my class and the teacher scolded me. When the second part of the sentence consists of an expression embodying intention, order, invitation or request, kara is used. Example 4. Abunai desu kara kikai ni sawaranai de kudasai. It's dangerous, so please don't touch the machine. Second, noun de. Noun de is used with natural phenomena and events such as jiko, accident, earthquake, fire, etc. Example 5th. Jishin de biru ga taoremashita. The building collapsed due to earthquakes. Example 6th. Byoki de kaisha o yasumemashita. I got ill and took time off work.